The phrase zero to hero typically refers to a transformation from a position of insignificance, mediocrity, or adversity to one of great success, prominence, or achievement. It's a common theme in stories, literature, and real-life journeys where individuals overcome challenges and obstacles to reach a highly respected or accomplished status. Here's how you can approach your own zero to hero journey. Identify your starting point, 0. Understand your current situation, whether it's a challenging life circumstance, a lack of experience, or a goal you want to achieve. Recognize where you are beginning your journey. Set clear goals and aspirations. Define what it means for you to become a hero in your context. Set specific, measurable, and achievable goals that you want to reach. These goals will serve as your roadmap. Develop a plan. Create a well-thought-out plan to achieve your goals. Break down your larger objectives into smaller, manageable steps. Having a clear plan will give you direction and focus. Acquire knowledge and skills. Identify the knowledge and skills you need to succeed in your chosen path. Invest time in learning and self-improvement. Take courses, seek mentorship, and read extensively to gain expertise. Work hard and stay committed. The journey from zero to hero often involves hard work, dedication, and perseverance. Be willing to put in the effort and stay committed, even when faced with challenges or setbacks. Embrace challenges and failures. Understand that setbacks and failures are part of the journey. Instead of being discouraged, view them as opportunities for growth and learning. Adapt and move forward. Seek guidance and mentorship. Don't hesitate to seek advice and mentorship from individuals who have already achieved what you're striving for. They can provide valuable insights and support. Network and build relationships. Building a strong professional and personal network can open doors and provide opportunities for growth. Connect with like-minded individuals and those who can support your journey. Stay resilient and positive. Maintaining a positive attitude and resilience is crucial. The path to success often involves overcoming obstacles and facing adversity. Cultivate a mindset that can weather challenges. Celebrate achievements. Along the way, as you make progress and achieve milestones, take the time to celebrate your successes, no matter how small they may seem. Recognizing your achievements can boost motivation. Give back once you've achieved your goals or a level of success. Consider how you can give back to your community or help others on their own zero to hero journeys. Remember that the zero to hero journey is highly individualized. Your path may differ significantly from others, and that's perfectly okay. Embrace your uniqueness, stay true to your values, and keep moving forward with determination and resilience. Over time, your consistent efforts can lead to your own version of heroism and success.